If you're over 40 and you're doing the math on retirement and thinking, this isn't going to support the lifestyle that I want, you're not crazy and you're not behind. You've just been following a model that was never built for today's economy. In this video, I'm going to show you why most people aren't making income online in 2026, the 4 traps that makes online income feel impossible, and the simple shift that makes income realistic without endless hours or DMing people all day. So let me make this personal for a second. I've been self-employed for 18 years, and I do not currently have a retirement plan. And there comes a point where you look up and realize time's moving. You don't want just extra money. You want a plan. Because the truth is, a lot of people are realizing that their current retirement plan, if they even have one, isn't going to support the lifestyle that they want. And that's why I'm talking about realistic income online in 2026. Not hype, not hustle, realistic. Here's why it's hard for some people to make an income online. Reason number 1, a low percentage or a low commission. Here's something a lot of people don't realize until they're in it, especially in network marketing. You can work hard and still not make much money simply because you're earning such a small percentage. And that's just brutal math. If you have a product, let's say you make $12 a customer on, you would need around 8,300 customers to hit 6 figures. So people will start, they try, they grind, and then they think, I'd make more money at a job. And it's not because they failed, it's because the model is stacked against them. Sometimes it's not you, it's just what you're selling. And here's where I need to be honest about my story. I've been in network marketing for over 10 years. I love the company, I love my products, and I love helping people. But the financial success, it just never came. I did the list of 100. I bothered my friends and family. I DM people. I did events. I thought I was doing everything right. And I still struggled. I want to be clear about this part. I didn't quit network marketing. I'm just not promoting it the way I used to because I realized that I needed a model with more leverage for where I'm heading. Reason number 2, endless hours. This was me. I thought if I worked more, I could make more. I used to think that the answer was always more time. But the problem wasn't effort. It was the model. That hamster wheel feeling. That's what happens when your income depends on how many hours you can grind instead of having a system that creates leverage. Reason number 3, direct messaging to find customers. If you have to DM people all day to make a sale, that's not freedom. It's exhausting. And for someone over 40 or 50 thinking about retirement, it's not the plan. And reason number 4, what you're selling isn't in high demand. It's very hard to introduce something brand new to the marketplace. The easiest path is selling something proven and tested, something that people already want. Let me give you an example. My phone is through Verizon. Verizon didn't make the Android phone. Verizon sells somebody else's product because it's proven, tested, and in demand. Verizon is a multi-billion-dollar company off of products that they didn't even create or manufacture. Why? Because it eliminates guesswork, headaches, and customer service issues. That model matters. In 2026, the ones who win are not the busiest. The ones who win are the people who leverage systems. A system that works for you 24/7. And yes, this can be fully automated. Business on autopilot, ready to take payments into your bank account. Here's the smartest path. One digital offer. You keep 100% profit. There's no inventory, no shipping, and it's in demand, which means people are already searching for it or Googling it. Have you ever searched how to make an income online? I found this blueprint and it is changing everything for me. It is teaching me how to automate, how to stop DMing people, and how to trade making that $12 a customer for making $100, $300, $600, $900, or even $1,400 per customer. It's one offer, but it unlocks options. And when something is in high demand, it's proven to sell. Now the question becomes, if it's proven to sell, why can some people sell it and some don't? Well, because they suck at marketing. I don't say this to be rude. I say it because it's actually good news. Because marketing is a skill. And if you learn the skill, you can change the outcome. That's what we're going to go deeper in on the next video, is how to master marketing. Keep it simple and create a predictable system. Click the link in my bio to get free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint.